If you have a Squarespace website and you're walking through my pre-launch checklist, welcome back. And if you don't have a copy of the checklist yet, I'll drop a link below in the description so you can grab it. In this video, I'll show you how to add a custom thumbnail image for videos you've added to your Squarespace website. This helps speed up the site load time because Squarespace only has to initially load the image and not the video. Welcome back. We are walking through my Squarespace pre-launch checklist. If you don't have this yet, again, I'll drop a link in the description below so you can grab it. I'm working on creating a video for every single item in the checklist. I'm halfway there as of today, but maybe by the time you watch this, I'll be completely done. All right, in this video, I am in my blog and we're going to look at adding a thumbnail for this embedded video that I have in my blog post. So I have a video here that walks you through my starter template for Squarespace web designers. And the challenge with these embedded videos is that Squarespace, when it loads the page, it has to load that video. Now, if page load time is really important to you, and it may be for a number of reasons, for usability, for SEO, then I'll show you how to add a thumbnail image so Squarespace only has to load that image, and then you can play the video from there, but on initial page load, it's faster. All right, I'm going to hop over to Canva. I've already created a thumbnail here, and you can see that the size I'm using is 1280 by 720, but anything in that ratio should be fine. If your video is taking up most of the width of your screen, you're going to want to size this up to closer to 2500 pixels wide. All right, let's go ahead and download this. And I've also optimized that image. If you're not sure how to do that, I have an entire mini course on image optimization specifically for Squarespace, and I'll drop a link to that free course below. All right, I have my image, it's optimized. Let's see how to add this in Squarespace. So I'm going to go ahead and click Edit and roll over this video block. I'm going to double click here. And if you look down in this content area, you'll see an option to toggle on custom featured image. I'm going to toggle that on, upload my file that I have just optimized, and click Save and Exit. And there we go. So again, the purpose of this is to help speed up page load time by adding a custom thumbnail in our video block in Squarespace. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up as it helps other people discover my videos as well. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best with your website.